my dear friends. This is the Amrita in front of all of you. And so, as you all know that today is our quantitative test and the topic is for our choice. So, what I'm going to speak about my topic, please listen me carefully. And my topic is that woman's life. So, please everyone listen sincerely and please pay attention to me. So, first of all, I want to say about say about suffering for women in this society. So according to me, there are many issues which have women suffer a lot in this society. They face too much difficulties, too much problems in their life. They can't walk in the night. They can't even nowadays the society is even more harsh. Even the women are not able to walk in the morning just because of some men who are saw them as a, I don't know what they think about girls and what they think about their their mother, their sister. I don't know. But in this society, women, not in just previous years, but nowadays, women are also surviving in this years, in this time. Even we are educated. We are now very educated. We are now understanding. We are now able to do anyone. Even more women now are suffering too much. Even like in previous years, like we heard something about the girls have married on young age. They have something. They are just forced to marry on the young age, and they are just like even when when one woman is married and her husband is dead. So she has also have she had also have to death with her husband. Why this all happened to us? Only girls? Why? I don't understand. I didn't understand why this all happened to us. We even when okay, I understand the previous years is it's her culture and it hurts rules and regulations that the women is also have to die with her husband. Why not this apply to their husbands when her wife is dead? Why they not burn their husband with them? Why this all happen with her, with the women, with us, with the girls? I don't understand. Even the girls are not safe in this society. How can we survive in this society with our respect, our dignity, our pride? How can any girl can survive in this society just because of male's nature, just because of their point of view, their eyesight on us? They every woman is just judged by their clothes, by their behavior. If a girl is talking too much, oh my God, she is talking too much. She is very frank with everyone. If a girl is not talking to anyone, she has too much attitude. She is just want to alone. She is not want to talk to anyone. If a girl has male friends, oh my God, she has male girls. How it could be happen? What is that? What does it mean? A girl can't have male best friends? Why? Just because a boy or a girl is not two friends. That to me, not be positive minded. Why we are always negative minded? If a girl and boy is talking, so it just mean that is other thing happening. Why they are just best friends? Why if they are brother and sister? Even in this society, a brother and sister is going, so they are just judge them on their behalf of, oh my God, is she or he a brother or sister or friend or something else? Why it is always blame on girls that a boy or girl is not best friend or nothing else? Even nowadays we are educated, we are able to do any work. We are suffering from lots of difficulties. We face lots of problems in this society just because of we are girls. Even like many news I heard, even we all are heard that when a girl child is born, they are just die her death her. When a woman is pregnant with her baby girl, so she or her family is about the child. Why girl can? Why what does it mean? Even why don't we think that the woman who born the boy child, she is also a woman. She is not any other person or any other thing. She is also a woman. She is your wife. She is your mother. She is your sister. Why we can't understand this? Why we can't able to understand The woman who birth to a boy child, she is also a woman. And even you are not to want a girl child, then how your family, then how our family cycle is going well. If woman is not here, then where the boy child is come? There is no scope, there is nothing to born a boy child. So I I heard some cases about girls. So even even not just like Kolkata case, Monica case. Even she is educated. She is very educated. She is a doctor. That thing is happening to her. Why? If she is a girl, so what do you want to do? So do with her. What the hell is this mean? I don't understand why we are just always blame girls that you wear this type of clothes, so that's happening to you. Why you are not? Why you are not? Why you are not just right your eyesight, right your eyes? Why you are just blaming us? We are also human. We have the right to do anything, right to freedom of clothes anywhere, anything. You have to change your mentality. You have to change your eyesight. We have towards us. Even in your house, there is a sister, there is a mother. Why you always, and maybe I think so, just like other girls, you treat your mother and sister like this. It's happened. I don't know why this all happens to us. I even can't understand this. Even when a child, even when a girl is want to study, everyone wants to just stop her. Why is she study? She has to just marry and go to other house. Now if she is in her own house, everyone called her that no, this is not your house. Your house is your mother-in-law's house. Even when the girl is going to her in-laws house, then they are said you are strange for us. You are coming to others house. You are not. You are just our daughter-in-law. You are nothing. You are not my daughter. Minimum persons are said that yes, you are my daughter. I will support you. I will always protect you. I will always stand for you. But no one is completely stand with her. She has to stand. She has to take a stand for her. She has to take a stand for her protectiveness, for her self-defense. I just want to say about to all the girls: be careful and be successful in your life. No one will support you in your hard time. Even not your parents, even not your friends who trust you more than yours. Even not your close ones whom you trust like blind eyes, with blind eyes. I don't trust anyone completely on any condition. Even girls have to just to force to be just force to do anything. Even she doesn't want to do it. Even when a girl wants, according to her marriage, everyone said that no, you are not doing this, you are not doing this. Our respect is down in the society. We are waited with many years. What does it mean? Your daughter's happiness is not nothing for you or nothing for everyone. I don't understand. Even if a girl is married to her choice, then if anything is happened, then everyone just blame her. You want you married to your choice. Now you have to suffer a lot. Okay, I understand that there is that's the girl's problem. But when the family is settle the marriage with other person, when anything happening, when her in-laws they just murder her, just burn her for dowry, for anything. They just say that it's in your destiny. You have to suffer. You have to handle. You have to just handle your in-laws. You have to calm and be patient and be handle everything. It's your in-laws house. It's your husband. It's your mother-in-law. What does it mean? We aren't have our life. We aren't have own life to survive with freedom and with something else. They are just named. They are just named the tag destiny. So it's in your destiny. So that's why you suffer a lot. To this thing, that thing. I don't know why these all are happens. Lastly, in my conclusion, I would like to say that to all the girls, be protective and learn some self-defense to yourself. Be successful in your life. Don't be dependent on others to give to drop you something anywhere, to come and go, to give you money, to give you something, to understand your mentality. Be understandable, be cooperative, be respectful, be self-dependent, and never be dependent on others for anything. Even not on your parents, not on your husband, not on your mother-in-law. If you want to, if you want to do job, if you want to do anything, to do with your own self. Doesn't push yourself because of others. They are not to spend your life with them. If you think like that, oh, he or she just understand me a lot, no. But and remember one thing, that everyone has benefit with you. That's why they are with you. If their benefit is, if their benefit is end, then you are nothing for them. Then you are nothing for anyone. It's just not for girls. It's just for everyone. It's a fact. So be protective and be self-independent, and doesn't think that you are unable to do anything. You are able, and you are do anything what you want to do. So believe in yourself, be self motivated, and be patience, be focused to your job, to your career, to your studies, and concentrate to your studies to get a successful life in a get a successful and luxurious and better life to be yours. Not the others money that you spend your whole life, and be just to be a girl and you are just cooking food in the kitchen. Don't like that. Be a successful girl, be a businesswoman. Many professions are there. Many professions and girls are now coming. What you want to do, you just do it. Not don't think about the society, don't think about the others. Just understand your parents and tell them that I want to do that, means I want to do that. That's it. And thank you for listening me. Thank you so much.